and welcome to the Grand Series by Asia One Magazine and URS Media, known as Asia One Greatest Brands and Leaders Asia, Middle East, Africa 2020-21. Through this series, we attempt to showcase the awe-inspiring success stories of some of the eminent brands and leaders from all over the world who have contributed immensely towards the growth of world economy. The upcoming category is Asia One Global Leader of the Year 2020-21 and Asia One Women Empowerment Principles Leadership 2020-21. The awardees in this category are Mr. Ashish Khandelwal, Managing Director, BL Agro Industries Limited as Asia One Global Youth Icon of the Year 2020-21.
During my growing up years, I had seen how my father built the business from scratch and took it to great heights. His journey has always inspired me. At the same time, it was a challenge to expand further and take our company to the next level. In 2017, we decided to diversify and add food portfolio to the existing oil business. The food products under the brand name Nourish received immediate acceptance in the market. To support this, we established top-of-the-line production capability that includes procuring finest machinery from all over the world. At BL Agro, the company's vision is to make the product a way of life for the consumer across India. To realize this long-term vision, we have aggressively building a very robust distribution network. As I speak, our team is working across India and our distribution network is growing day by day. Also, for the couple of years, we have invested heavily into advertising and promotion of both our brands Nourish and Belcolu. Similarly, to make our promotion more effective, we have engaged with celebrity brand ambassadors like Shilpa Shetty for Nourish and Manoj Vajpayee, Nawazuddin Siddiqui and Pankaj Tripathi for Belcolu. I believe that innovation is the key to establish your distinguished identity. Our innovative strategy includes moving from semi-automatic to fully automated packaging plant, which is possibly the best in the country in our industry. A lot of exclusive brand stores are being opened, and we are also developing a very dynamic e-commerce portal by the name of Nourish Store that will take a brand to each and every household.
So those were some awe-inspiring success sagas of prominent brands and leaders of Asia, Middle East and Africa. Goodbye and thank you for watching.